After booting up, log in and enter password 123. Adjust the speed of the robot. Set 5%. Enter the monitoring. To detect input and output signals, enter I/O and check the input signal. Naming is the interface used. Need to check if there is a signal. Will display the opening closing of the gripper and bag ready, pallet ready, conveyor sensor signal. Check whether the corresponding signal lights up in the corresponding state. Enter due. Naming is the interface used. Click the corresponding button to check if the conveyor and gripper are working properly. Find the pick option and click to open it. Find the coordinate position of the grasping point. Click. Adjust the zygzag axis to make the robot reach the grasping point. Click on Teach to save. While clicking the button to adjust the Z-axis, the robot needs to lightly press the side button with your finger. Capture point setting as shown in the figure. Require the bottom of the gripper to be level with the surface of the conveyor roller and located in the middle of the roller conveyor. Find the position in the video, click, adjust the Z-axis and teach. The waiting point is the position where the robot waits for the bag and only needs to adjust the Z-axis. It is recommended to raise the height 40 厘米 away from the conveyor. Entering this page, you can find the left E and right E, which will be the settings for the left and right pallet. Click on left E to teach the left pallet. First line is the bags stacked on each layer. Second line is the total number of stacking layers. Third line is the thickness of a single bag. PEE is the location of the first bag for the first layer. Need to adjust the shear axis. Find the position where the bag is placed and click on Teach E. PER represents the second bag on the first layer. PE3, PE4, and so on. PRE represents the first bag on the second layer. Setting the second layer does not require. Setting the third layer, robot auto executes 2-layer cycle. Slide down to find put EE, which is the first bag on the first layer. If the bag deviates 1 mm to the left of the robot, the x-axis needs to be adjusted by 加10毫米。Each bag position can be adjusted here. And it needs to be set according to the deviation position of the bag. After setting, click Save. Set left R, just like setting left E. Set palletizing parameters and bag positions of first layer, second layer. You can also set a third pallet pattern. When you need to switch patterns, click here to switch to the parameter numbers you need.